Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. Today, before the chaos of packing all my boxes and shifting routines, I needed one more evening to just breathe, reset, and ease into what's coming next for our family. Quick dinner for the kiddos, some light packing, and some cozy cleaning so we can tidy up our area before the night ends. Now, if this is something that you guys would like to see, just keep on watching. Now, even though things are hectic right now, I'm trying to keep our evenings peaceful, and it's hard. This quick dinner is one of my go-tos when I need something warm and comforting after a long day. I love a good masticholi. Here's a quick clip of all the seasonings I will be using. After I seasoned the meat, I went in with some fresh garlic, just a tablespoon, and then my daughter decided she wanted to put more in, so that's what we did. Tomato paste, just 1 can, and then after that, I put in my sauces. Now, you guys can use Prego or Ragu, whatever you prefer. It'll be quick and easy if you just use the jar. I didn't, but it will be quick. Anyway, it tastes so good. We're gonna just sprinkle in some parsley and add just a little bit of red wine. I went ahead and cleaned up my area because I cannot cook in a dirty kitchen. I just can't do it. So I want to clean up behind myself as I go. And then afterwards, I poured me just the remaining of what was left in that bottle of red wine. It was just enough of what I needed. I didn't need no full glass. I lost 13 pounds and I am so excited about it. And I'm not trying to gain it back. Everything is done cooking. I'm just going to go ahead and start layering my pasta so I can mix it all together. I didn't have my ricotta and that was okay. I was so tired. I didn't realize I didn't have everything I needed for this masticholi. Of course, I found out that the grocery store I was at did not carry masticholi pasta, and that what I was looking at on my phone was Jewel Osco all the way in Illinois. I'm like, what the heck? So I had to go with some penny pasta, and I don't really like penny pasta with masticholi, but hey, I had to do what I had to do. And with all my cheeses, my fresh mozzarella, fresh Parmesan, and Italian cheeses, and then I need to double layer that pan because all my baking stuff is now packed away and I don't have an extra pan that's big enough for this. So I'm just going to layer it with another pan at the bottom and some aluminum foil and place it into the oven. And now it is time for dinner. I got that Italian garlic bread going, some salad for the kiddos, and now we're about to have dinner. It is time to eat, so after dinner we can go ahead and get some things packed and also tidy up the house a little bit. So come on. I need to clean the dining room table off from dinner, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm not going to vacuum until later on, but I do need to bring all the stuff that I plan on packing away right here on this table, so I need it to be clean. And then we're going to head into the living room and tidy that section up. And the kids are already in the kitchen taking care of everything from dinner, so I don't have to worry about that. Tonight, I just needed a mini reset. Life has been full right now. It really has. It's been full. And we're packing up this entire house over the next couple of weeks. And it's been a lot. You know, the kind of lot that has your brain running at night when you just want to go to sleep. Like literally, I have not slept in 24 hours now. As I'm talking to you all, I have not slept in 24 hours. My brain just can't stop moving. lot of my books. I'm going to get those packed up in some of my decor pieces, and then we're going to spray the table down. We're gonna focus on taking all of these books off this shelf, not the decor, just the books, because I wanna put all the books away. I have a few boxes that I collected over Christmas, so I'm just gonna place my books inside of them. I'm gonna put probably about 3 to 4 books in each one of these, so it won't be too heavy for my husband and the boys to carry. If I would have put it in a big box, then it would be way too heavy for them. I have some paper and I'm just gonna stuff it into the sides of the box. I think I should put it in that candle though, because I have more room in here. I don't know. Packing is hectic. It's stressful. There are boxes and lists and a whole bunch of decisions just everywhere. The kids still have sports. My husband is away for work, and it's been a challenge trying to stay organized while also trying to keep everybody else organized too. Made it this far with me, drop some pink hearts down below and tell me, how is your week going so far? I would love to know and hear from you all right in the comments. So I have all of these, so what I'm gonna do is wrap them first and then place them around the book. I want to fill in the space as much as I possibly can, but not making this box too heavy. all these fragile stickers. I'm just going to place them on my boxes. And yes, I know my boxes are upside down. I taped them that way. I did. And I know it. But I'm going to place them on all the boxes in hopes that nothing breaks inside them. I'm going to vacuum clean these floors, starting in the dining room, down the hall, and back into the living room. You guys want to know what's wild? What's crazy is that we haven't even found our new home yet. And my faith is so grand, so big, that we're doing all of this packing and prepping without knowing exactly where we're going. And that unknown is scary, but I'm reminding myself that I need to keep the faith and I need to just breathe. Just breathe through it all. And I know we're going to come out on top. I know God is good. He got us. Tonight, I just wanted to slow things down a little bit because I just been gone. You guys heard me snap my fingers. It's just been this, that. I wanted to do a little coziness. I'm doing one of the things that always bring me back to center, cleaning a little bit, maybe some cooking sometimes, and creating a little piece around us. I don't know. It may not fix everything, but it helps. Housing market is so crazy, and I feel like I'm in a bidding war when it comes to other people trying to lease out these homes. I mean, $3,000 and up. The one we saw yesterday was $3,300. The one before that, $34,000. But they were willing to, come down. We're doing a lot of negotiating. But as soon as I go see a property, I found out there's 3 to 5 applicants already on it, and the landlord has to choose which one they want. So it's like you're in a little lottery or something. It's just crazy. And the new homes, oh my goodness, the new homes are not in my kids' zone anymore. So that's totally scratched out for right now. I don't know, guys. Something positive is going to happen, and I just feel it. I feel it. God is not going to leave me hanging with this one. Now it's time for me to wind down, and I like to do that by taking a nice hot shower or bath, and then I'm going to go in here and do my face regimen and get ready for bed. Bore you all with putting my pin curls in. Let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. I'm just being honest with you all. I'm a little excited. I am very excited to be going on this new journey, but at the same time, I am stressed out. I am anxious. I am tired, real tired. I'm just tired, period. Fed up. And a little bit of sentimental, and the reason why is because we've been here for going on 5 years, and I mean, it's a lot of memories in this house. I started my first YouTube channel. My kids have grown. I've grieved here of losing my sister and my biological father. I've lost. I've gained, and now it's time for a new journey. So I'm excited. I am about to hit the bed. I like my bonnet. And I thank you all so much for tuning in and sticking around this long with me. There is more videos to come. More moving, more cleaning, more packing. Maybe even a spend the day with me. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not done so already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So I will see you all in another one. I love you all so much. Bye.